guys, happy Monday and happy Black History Month. For this video, I'm giving y'all a very realistic week of styles. They are super easy ways to switch up your look and to style your TWA throughout the week. Every style is in an order that would make sense realistically in 1 week. So we're starting off with a simple wash and go since Monday is wash day. I'm going to link below my playlist of short natural hairstyles. I plan on making a lot more individual videos on different ways to style your short natural hair. So stay tuned for some black girl magic, okay? Because it's coming real soon. For this wash and go, I'm not using any hard gels because I will be using a firmer holding gel later in the week. So for some definition, I'd suggest using a mousse or a light custard. I would like to remind y'all that shrinkage is a very, very good thing. You should never feel ashamed, embarrassed, or feel like the natural hair that grows out of your head is unattractive. Shrinkage means your hair is healthy, and that is always the best state for your hair to be. And please quote me on that. Alright, so on Tuesdays, I will typically refresh my wash and go. I do have a video that's a bit more detailed on how I do it super easily, but basically I will use either of these products and spray one, and then take the end of my rat tail comb and gently lift the curls, and do that over my whole head. It's very easy, very simple. If I'm not doing that, however, let me put you onto some bucket hats, because if you have short hair and you are not wearing bucket hats, you're missing out. You are missing out. I'm trying to tell y'all, bucket hats look phenomenal on short hair. It is so easy. It's just boom, throw it on and leave. You got all these different colors. You got all these different vibes. Listen, it's fun. It's a little fashion show on your head. It's such a cute accessory. I love bucket hats. Shout out to bucket hats, okay? Also, turbanettes, they are just the way to go. Super cute, especially if you're not good with tying a scarf or you don't care, but you like that vibe, you like that look. I will have it linked below. Amazon, you can get like a whole pack of 12. Oh, okay, girl, yeah, show it off. I'll have it linked below so you could be living this life too. Alright, you guys, so for Wednesday, we are doing a slick back. I do have the full tutorial linked in my bio for your viewing pleasure. So we're just going to go ahead and speed through this. So I will let you enjoy the music. So if throughout the week you want to add a part to your hair that's already gelled, all you need to do is add a bit of water, and that will loosen up the gel so you're able to create whatever kind of part you want. And then just take some edge control to go over the part once it's dried down a bit to lay the hair back down. And voila, you have a new part. When I'm trying to preserve my edges, I do sleep in a piece of wrapping strip, and that helps a lot. As you can see, I only have a little bit of lifting on the sides that weren't properly tied underneath the strip. Okay, so if you use Style Factor like I do, then you know that sometimes flaking occurs. The easiest way to get rid of that is by just adding a little bit of oil to your fingertips and gently, because you don't want to mess it up, just gently tapping that in, and that should take away any flaking or white residue left over. I'm taking a little bit of edge control just to flatten the side pieces that were lifting up from not being tied down properly. And I don't show it in this video, but you definitely want to tie them down again so that they don't lift back up immediately after. I love, love, love this hairstyle. It is so trendy and super cute and so effortless. It's great. Very 90s vibes, early 2000s. Now, there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube for multiple ways to tie a scarf. I only really do about 2 different styles, and I do them differently every single time. The main takeaway is I first tie the scarf and then twist each end and somehow find a way to secure it and tuck it in the back. So I got y'all with the high bun style and then the low bun style that's coming next. But that is about all I have to offer when it comes to turban styles. Now, of course, this is totally optional, but if you have clip-in extensions, that's always fun to throw on, especially if your hair is already gel down. I do have a dedicated video on how I'm able to securely attach these onto my TWA, and that video will be linked in the card above. The key is to create a wide surface area for the combs to clip into, and to make sure that the hair that's holding the clips is curly, not slicked down. I find that it stays in better when it's coily or kinkier. So that's my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.